So first what we have to do is now see, we'll open the VS Code. File, open folder. So we'll open that folder. Okay, we'll close everything. Okay. In that folder, we will create a file. You see that question says we have to create Q0 for finished HTML and Q0 for finished CSS. Okay. Something wrong, 1 minute. Open folder. Okay. Inside this question 4, we will create a, say, Q04 finished HTML. So we will create a file here, Q0 for finished HTML. Okay, right. There in that folder, we will create Q04 finished CSS. So you also can work with me slowly. Then it's better. Then we can parallelly work together. You also work with me. If you miss anything, I can wait slowly. Today the main objective is slowly complete this question, then easy for your exam. So okay, thanks. So slowly you work with me. I also will do this side. If you miss anything, you tell me. Then I can wait for you. Okay, right. Simply I have created here Q0 for finished HTML, and here I have finished. I have done Q0 for finished CSS. So you can see the inside the folder. You can see the both files are here. Okay. The question is this. Okay, how do I start the question? How do I start? So normally the question, when this type of question, I open my HTML. So I'll be saying doc type HTML. Then I'll say HTML. So language is equal to EN. So this is ending tag for. Okay, right. Then Okay. So then you will have the head. You will have the head, and you will have the body. Okay. Just wait for a minute. Okay. Right. So then uh, what you do is in this style sheet here, link. So you have to link the style sheet in the your coding in your HTML link REL equal to style sheet type text is CSS href uh, Q04 finished dot CSS. Okay. So what you do is now you save this one. So okay. So after doing this one, what you do is simply you check here body in your QSS file, the CSS file, you just put body background. Right. Blue. Okay. So just save this and see that one. Uh, uh, that means that mean if you have any mistake here, the style sheet is not connected. Then first you have to fix that one. Otherwise, your style will not be applied for this one. So we'll see what is the issue. Q04 finished HTML. Q0 finished CSS. Okay. So what is the mistake is, I think here it should be I have put, you see, I have put only it should be CSS. Okay. I have missed one S. Okay, clear? So carefully see that I have missed one S there, then it is because of that, it is not doesn't take that one. So now see in my, if I open my uh, folder, see now that means my style sheet and my HTML is got connected correctly. Then only you can do it now. Okay, now we can keep on adding our codes now. Up to this, okay with that? Up to this part is okay. You are okay? Yes, fine. We'll continue now. Right. Right. Then okay. Then now we'll see slowly. Right. Now you see, we'll go very slowly, and you also can work with me. See this question. overall page requirement. Use HTML5 elements to define the parts of the page. Yes, we are going to use header, footer, main section like that. Use area, overall page requirement mean, so these things you have to put it in the body. So you see they are saying use Arial font style. Use an external style sheet. So that you have done. Use suitable padding or margins. Okay, right. So use Arial font style. Then what you do is in the body in your Q04 finish. So I will remove this part. In the body, I'll say font family equal to font family is equal to area. Okay, so then that part is that. So then I will move on to the web design style guide. Right. Okay. So I will move on to the web design style guide. Okay. So now what you have to do is you see this now before this is this container. Now you see 90 pixels. So then we have to have your entire web page should be in a container. So then it is a 900 pixel. So then we will say here. So I need to create a container class. So that is should be container. So we'll say container. So under the container, so the width is 900 pixel. They are given that one width is 900 pixel. So 900 pixel. Margin is margin 0 auto. Margin 0 auto. And we'll see anything about the color. Here, see that container. Okay, the container that is a container color is set the background color to light blue. You see they are given the color here. Okay, the content color is they are given here. So I will put that color here. So that is the container color. So then background color. So here. So that means first we have to define the container. If they are given the color, we can put it. So container is okay. Is it okay? Can you finish? Have you done this part? I'll wait for here. Right. Okay. Fine. Fine. Now, so this part is okay. So then we will start with the container part. So here, so now when you define that, say carefully see the container is defined. Now I am going to div class equal to container. Container. So div class is equal to container. Okay. So then you have defined the container. Okay, right. So then, so now the structure is okay. Then now we will see the header part. Okay, header. You have to set the background color for the header part. You have to set the background color. Set the background color to midnight blue. Okay, so header. Okay, so this for the header part, you have to set the background color to the uh, uh, the color they are given. Right, we will put it there. So here I will go to the CSS file. I'll go to the CSS file. Then I will say header. Background color. One 1970 header background color. Okay, so then background color is okay. So but for the header, they are not given the header. So they are not given the height of the header. So they're not given the height of the header. So we'll just put it, say somewhere 250 pixel. So height is 250 pixel. So 250 pixel. Okay. Clear? Then that is that. So then I save here control is. So here I will go the class container. So in the container, I will say here header. Header. In the header. So now we'll save this and see what is happening. Okay. So then that up to that part has come now. Okay. Header. Okay. Shall we complete this part with you now? Can you complete? Are you okay with this? Up to this, okay? Can you complete up to this, okay, Anshul? Okay, very good. You have done it. Okay, good. So then I will continue. See now, next thing is, carefully see. CSS. Okay, very good. Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you. Right. Then right. Okay, fine. Then so CSS is okay. Now please see here. See the way we are doing it. You have to place a logo dot. So you have to place a logo image in the HTML page. So we will do that part now. Okay. So we have to place a logo image. So the logo image is it is in the asset folder. You see logo. So we have to take this image to the HTML page. Right. So then so we'll see here. Insert the logo image as shown. The image can be found in the asset folder. Set the logo image to 80 pixel. Okay. Set the logo image to 80 pixel. So how we are going to do this one? So I will go to my header part. So I will say here, image. I'll say image. Source is equal to assets logo .jpg. Okay. Source image source assets log as source is equal to assets logo.jpg. So then I will save this one, control S. So we'll refresh and see what is happening. Okay. So the I think I have given the something wrong here. We'll see. So we will put, it is asking for alternative text, alter is equal to, we'll say London or something like, okay, control S. Okay, that image is coming. Okay, so now we have to set the image. So the image is coming, but we have to set the width of the image. So then, yes, it loaded for the image, no? So what is the source assets src image src equal assets logo dot jpg. Okay. So then what we do is we will have a class. Wrong slash. Okay, 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 okay. I have put wrong slash. This one. One minute. Okay, right. Assets. Okay, thank you. Image. So here we'll say image. SRC equal asset okay. SRC okay. We'll see one minute. Give me a minute. I'll check my sample for the moment. Uh, Something wrong here. Image is equal to whether we have assets logo.jpg. Sorry. I am doing outside. No, sorry. This is the problem. I have to save this inside this question for folder. Right. No, it is not taking the image. 1 minute. So there is a mistake here. 1 minute. I'll settle this one. These two files should be inside this question for folder. I have saved this outside this one. No? So it should be inside this. Right. Now we will see. Okay, I'll start again. So good that these mistakes are important. So yeah, we have to. I'll file open folder. October question 4. Right. Now we have to have it in select folder. So here, right. So here my file should be here. So